Oh, there's a river called Des Monies, and she flows softly tonight. There's a river called Des Monies, and she whispers softly at the moon, and she tells me when the drill is drilling, and she whispers that the night is gonna be cold, and she cries that the sky is tearing. There's a river called Des Monies. My name's I'm walking down to a pull rig machine to a backhoe. It's trying to get a pipe under the river. The river's the same. The river's the same blood that's in our bodies as our mother. We're trying to shut down this machine. The whole capitalist system, the white supremacist system. They're trying to blow right through the ground just so they can make some more money. We can't let that happen. It's a system that targets indigenous people.
My name is Sage, and I'm walking down here to stop Zapple from continuing to fucking ruin this earth.
There's a little gnome with giant shoes and a beard down to his toes. He holds a portal between his fingers. You can fuck shit up with a 5-string banjo. I think the Buddha said something like tuning a banjo is like tuning a river. You ever heard that one?
No.
I heard that one up in the hills every once in a while.